Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washer. In this video, we will delve into three key areas: capacity, features, and price. The BLACK+DECKER model offers a larger capacity of 0.9 CU and 5 wash cycles, making it suitable for bigger loads. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washer, with its 15L capacity, is designed for smaller items and is much more affordable. We will also discuss the materials used in each machine, with the BLACK+DECKER featuring a durable stainless steel tub, while the Mini Washer uses TPE and food-grade silicone. Stay tuned as we help you choose the right washing machine for your home. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a significant advantage with its 0.9 CU Fort capacity, allowing for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washer has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference makes the BLACK+DECKER a better choice for families or those who need to wash larger items, while the Mini Washer is ideal for individuals or those with limited space. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER model stands out with its 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for different laundry needs. The Mini Portable Washer, however, offers 3 time settings of 3, 5, and 10 minutes, which may limit its functionality for more complex washing requirements. Additionally, the BLACK+DECKER features a stainless steel tub, enhancing durability, while the Mini Washer uses TPE and food-grade silicone, which may not be as long-lasting. Finally, let's talk about price. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washer is much more affordable at $78, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washing solution. While the BLACK+DECKER may offer more functionality, the Mini Washer provides excellent value for those with simpler laundry needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washer have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for larger loads and offers more features, while the Mini Washer is ideal for those seeking an affordable and compact solution. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.